Want luxury decor in less hard work? So, today we will make this simple and quick flower ball. It gets ready in minutes and gives a vibrant look to your decoration. So, let's start. We need artificial yellow flowers, wooden sticks, sphere oasis floral foam, golden color ribbon. First, we will take sphere foam. We have to tie it from all four sides using golden color ribbon. Now, we will take these artificial yellow flowers. First, we will fix them on wooden sticks. Be careful, we have to fix them firmly so that they do not come out later. Now, it is time to set these flowers in foam. We have to put all the flowers in foam one by one in such a way that the foam is completely covered. The foam should not be visible from anywhere. And yes, the most important thing is that the golden ribbon that we tied, keep it out of the middle of the flowers so that it can be seen easily and you can hang it anywhere. With this, you can make this ball of different color flowers and hang them on top. It looks so beautiful. Stay connected with us for more such decoration videos. Like, share, subscribe to Sai Hira Decor. Sai Hira Ram.